In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Yahoo Mail in Gmail. By the end, your Yahoo messages will arrive right inside your Gmail inbox so you can search, read, and reply from one place. First, open a browser and go to Gmail. If you're already signed in, you'll see the account chooser. Pick the Gmail account where you want Yahoo messages to appear. If not, enter your Gmail address and continue through the sign-in prompts until you land in your inbox. Give the page a moment to finish loading so all menu options are available. Now look to the top right for the gear icon. That's the settings button. Click it to open the quick settings panel, then select See All Settings to jump into the full settings area. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Click Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail lets you connect other email accounts and manage how mail is fetched. In the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add an Email Account. A small window will appear asking for the address you want to add. Type your Yahoo email address carefully, then click Next to proceed. You'll be redirected to Yahoo's secure consent screen. This step allows Gmail to fetch your Yahoo messages on your behalf. Review the permissions and click Agree to continue. If a Yahoo window opens in a separate tab or asks you to confirm access, just follow the on-screen prompts and confirm. Once you've agreed, close the Yahoo tab and return to your Gmail settings. To make sure the connection is fully recognized, refresh the settings page in your browser. After the page reloads, go back to the Accounts and Import tab. You should now see your Yahoo address listed under Check Mail from Other Accounts, confirming that the mail source has been added. From here, Gmail will begin pulling your Yahoo messages in the background. The first sync can take a few minutes and large mailboxes may take longer. You can keep working in Gmail while this happens. New Yahoo messages will start appearing automatically. If you don't see anything right away, give it a bit of time, then refresh your inbox. You can always return to Accounts and Import later to manage or remove the connection. That's it. You went to Gmail, signed in, opened settings, navigated to Accounts and Import, added your Yahoo email, approved access on Yahoo's consent screen, closed that tab, refreshed Gmail settings, and confirmed the account was added. Enjoy having your Yahoo mail flow directly into Gmail all in one place.